Hi guys, it's me again. I am Heidi, also known as The Art. I'm a small business owner. I have a small art shop named The Art Shop. If you guys want to know more about my artworks or the events that I'll be going to in the future, feel free to check out my Instagram account. The link will be provided on the description below. These days, I've been wanting to do things out of my comfort zone, and one of it is traveling and staying at some place, but this time all alone. And I found that opportunity while staying at BGC for my very first BGC art mart. To be honest, it's a nerve-wracking experience since, I'm not really used to it. But you know what? I am also kind of thankful and proud that I was able to do that, because for years I've been wanting to go and experience other places all alone, but I've been keeping that aside because I was scared. Yeah, because I was scared. I'm scared of getting lost. I'm scared of sleeping at some place that's very unfamiliar and all alone. Who knows what will happen to me over there, but thankfully nothing happened. And the experience is really fun. And like I've said earlier, it's a very nerve-wracking experience. However, I was somehow kind of feel comforted because there's this one thing that really made me feel at ease while staying there all alone. And whenever I go to these places, somehow it makes me feel comfortable and at peace. And what I'm talking about is visiting cafes. I don't know about you, but somehow cafes makes me feel comfortable at home and at peace. But whenever I go to a really amazing cafe, I feel like I'm in Hogwarts. And the drinks and the food there are like potions that are there to make me feel, less stressed. For today's video, I'll be showing you some of the great cafes that I visited for the past month or days. Outfit check.
した君の声が耳に届くきらめく街二人きりの時間星屑のような思い出が舞う夜風に溶けて消えないでいつまでも君と乗り続けたいこの瞬間が永遠であるように優しく抱きしめてそばにいて